啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊啊 So you can hear I only pronounce the first part, the going down part. I didn't pronounce the going up part. If you want to pronounce the first part of this third tone only, please be sure to go low enough until you feel the stuck feeling. You know the stuck feeling? That means you already go low enough. When you pronounce it, make sure you start high enough and go all the way down. And it sounds very similar to English words yes or no when we say them with stronger emotions. No. The neutral tone is light and short, and how high it is depends on the syllable before it. Please listen carefully. 桌子名字椅子位子 For example, if we say these two words in their original tones, 很好可以 It sounds very weird and it's very hard to pronounce. So we change the first one to the second tone. 很好可以一只一条一本一样不听不明不懂不对